Okay, so I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and I've just been sent the Mixcder Active Noise Cancelling Headphones E9 model. These are wireless noise cancelling headphones for me to review for you guys. This is just an unboxing video, so let's have a look and see what you get. So just looking at the box itself, the front you've got this kind of quite nice looking, very smart, professional looking design. If we flip it over, we've just got different languages here and the specs. So it says it supports various profiles, transmission distances on there, also speaker drivers and all kinds of tech specs, and also says you get about 30 hours battery on there. So let's open this up and have a look. So very well, the plastic off, it's a little bit clearer to see the box, and I'm just going to open this flap here. Okay, so the top of the box is open, they just come out there, so they come with a carry case as well, so we'll just pop the box to one side and we'll open the carry case. So it's worth pointing out before I open this, the carry case feels nice and sturdy. It's kind of sort of semi-hard, you can push on it, but it feels like it'll protect them pretty well. And you've got this handle there if you wanted to just carry them around like that. So we've got also a strap here just to hold them in place. So we'll look inside this bag in a second. So then the headphones just come loose from there like that, and they look like this. So this nice kind of almost like a vinyl. They look really quite smart considering the price tag. So they've got some buttons on and all sorts. And then if we look at the accessories, so you get some warranty information on the shape of some headphones, and you get an instruction manual, and then you get a USB cable for charging. You get this, which is an airplane adapter if you want to use them whilst you're flying, which is a really unusual thing to see included, but quite a nice addition. And then we've also got this. So these are wireless headphones, but you can also connect them via a wire. So you have this wire, just simple jack to jack, so you can do that if you want to. So that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. Initial impressions are that they look really nice, they look really smart, and I'm looking forward to playing around with these over the next week and bringing you guys a proper review.